Amazing elevator facts you need to know. For today's video, we present you with 10 amazing elevator facts you need to know. 1. Unlike today, where we have elevators being operated automatically, during the 1st and 3rd centuries AD, elevators were being operated manually. For instance, the most complex one, at the Colosseum Arena, usually used to transport lions and other animals that were manually controlled by a force of 224 slaves, where teams of 8 slaves worked on a single winch. Just imagine the manpower that will be needed to lift, for instance, a lion 20 floors. 2. Since the number 13 is considered extremely unlucky in most countries, including the United States, a lot of buildings opt to remove the 13th floor from their floor plans. Otis Elevators Company has estimated that approximately 85% of buildings with their elevators do not have a 13th button. 3. According to statistics, elevators is the safest way to travel. Elevators are 20 times safer than escalators. It is also safer to ride in an elevator than in a car, although people sometimes worry about being stuck or falling out of an elevator. It has been estimated that 26 people on an average die in an elevator-related accident per year. And this is mainly elevator technicians, not passengers, while 26 people die per hour in car-related accidents. 4. The first public building elevator was installed in 9-story high building in New York City. 5. Most people usually think an overcrowded elevator will fall, but this is not true. Compare it to a car. An overloaded car will normally not move. This shows that an elevator's door will only stay open, and a buzzer may ring until the weight in the elevator is being reduced. 6. Elevator music first appeared in 1920s to calm down passengers who feared using elevators for the first time. 7. The maximum altitude that one cable hoist elevator can travel is 1,700 feet. 8. The placebo closure button in an elevator is designed to give users the impression that they are in control of their elevator experience. Elevator manufacturers removed the close function on most elevators way back from the 90s since they close automatically. 9. Elevators carry the equivalent of the Earth's population every 3 days, and the average elevator user uses it 4 times per day. 10. Each of the several wires that support an elevator is capable of carrying the entire elevator and its passengers. This is for today's video. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you learned something today. Also, don't forget to hit on the notifications button to always be notified when we upload more fun and informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.